Energy Information Administration issued its short-term price outlook. It is expected that spot prices for West Texas crude, the oil produced in the U.S., will average about $95.60 a barrel this year. And Brent crude, that is expected to sell for just under $105. Today, West Texas jumped 2% to more than $102 a barrel, while Brent settled in at near $108.
Natural gas prices also closed slightly higher today, even as a new government report says the U.S. is sitting on a massive stockpile of reserves. That has energy producers pushing to export more of that gas. But it won't be easy. Jackie DeAngelis explains.
The energy business is booming in the U.S., and part of the surge includes natural gas. The Energy Information Administration says the U.S. is sitting on more than 2 trillion cubic feet of natural gas reserves, roughly 92 years of supply. So is now the time to export? Supporters say exports will help stabilize prices worldwide, especially in light of geopolitical tensions in Russia and Ukraine. They also say it will reduce the global carbon footprint and add valuable jobs to the economy.
I think we've seen real hard evidence that the shale gas boom, even when limited to domestic consumption, has had a tremendous buoying effect on the economy, both directly associated with the jobs for drilling, production, and distribution, but also for all the ancillary jobs associated with it.
But environmental groups are also trying to slow the export approval process because of concerns over the dangers of fracking. They also worry about prices for U.S. consumers.
The major concern from an environmental standpoint in exporting natural gas is that this will trigger fracking, the controversial drilling method that's caused all kinds of drinking water problems and other environmental problems across the United States. And it will also raise gas prices for Americans up to as much as 27%.
The Department of Energy has only issued a few approvals to export liquid natural gas, and only one on the East Coast, here at Dominion Resources' Cove Point facility in Maryland. If this $3.8 billion construction project gets off the ground, it'll create thousands of jobs, add millions of dollars in tax revenue, and it's fairly easy to do.
The export project requires very little equipment addition. We already have the pipelines we need. We have the storage tanks, the transfer lines, the offshore platform for loading the vessels.
While Dominion is still waiting for final approvals, it estimates that exports could add $2 billion to its top line over time. And other companies are also waiting to see if their grants will come through. But only time will tell how this war will play out and how the administration will play its cards. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.